So hello children, we move on to part 10 of our video lesson on rational numbers. So we go start exercise 2E, and this is my first video lesson on your exercise 2E, where we learn multiplication of rational numbers. So we have already seen what are rational numbers, how we subtract, how we add, and how we subtract. So now see multiplication of rational numbers. If two rational numbers are given, so here I'll show you by example. By means children multiplication. So if it is a by b into c by d, then we see that numerator is multiplied with numerator. So let us see what happens. 7 by 6 by means into 9 by 2. So numerator is multiplied with numerator and denominator with denominator. But if anything is common, then you have to cancel it. So in 3's table, 6 come, 3 2's are 6, 3 3's are 9. Now nothing else will cancel. So 7 3's are 21, 2 2's are 4. So our first answer is 21 by 4. Please don't convert, because we are doing rational number which is in form of p by q. Don't convert this in terms of fraction. If you have seen in class 6, this is an improper fraction. Numerator is more than the denominator. Don't convert it to mixed fraction, because we are doing rational numbers. Otherwise in fraction chapter we convert it to mixed fraction. This is improper fraction with numerator more than the denominator. So same thing here. If there is a minus sign, what happens? So minus 3 by 4, numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So if you know plus minus is minus. Again, before I multiply, let us see if something will cancel. Yes, 4 1's are 4, 4 2's are 8. So we get minus 6. So once more, 4 1's are 4, 4 2's are 8. 3 into 2 is 6, minus 1 minus remains as it is, and 7. So this is your answer. Second answer is minus 6 by 7. Now third one children is 35 by minus 8 into 12. So one step you can directly do. A first step you write it as your by becomes into. Second step we do numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Here you also see denominator minus minus will become plus. Negative product of two negative number is positive. But here 5 1's are 5, 7 5's are 35, 4 2's are 8, 4 3's are 12. Once more 5 will go with 35. Multiple of 5 and 8 and 12, they come in table of 4. 4 2's are 4 3's are minus minus becomes plus. So answer is 21 by 2. Don't convert 21 by 2 into mixed fraction, because as I said, this is your rational number. So next we move on to part 8 of question 1, where see many time in the book you will see they convert the negative number in the denominator by multiplying and dividing by minus 1 by minus 1. But here I'll tell you one very easy method, like minus minus becomes plus in ones. So division rule, if you see one minus up and down, they also cancel in division. You see my earlier videos, I have taught about this very nicely in one of the exercises which I have done previously. So this minus upon minus cancels. So this minus will also cancel, but first I will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So you can think as if minus cancels with minus. Minus in the division also and in multiplication also. Minus minus plus, 5 will go 3 times, 16 will go 2 times. So finally your answer is 2 3s are 6. Once more, minus minus cancels. There is one lengthy method that both we multiply and divide by minus 1. Ultimately minus minus becomes plus. So 16 2s are 32, 5 3s are 15. So I get 3, only denominator 1, therefore I don't write. 3 2s are 6. So kindly pause the video and copy nicely. Then we move on to question 2. So next we move on to question number 2. Part 2. Here I am doing even number part. So you see how we do almost similar to question 1. Whatever we can cancel, we cancel. So 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So children, 1 minus will remain. Okay. If there are 2 minus up, we get becomes plus. If there are 2 minus down, it becomes plus. If 1 up 1 down, it becomes plus. So 1 minus remains. Odd number of time minus remains. Even number of times in numerator or denominator it becomes plus. Division also, as I told you, 1 up 1 down, it cancels. So this is 1 by 20. Here if you see, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. First of all, 2 minus becomes plus, so plus we don't write. So minus minus becomes plus. Product of 2 negative is positive. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So finally we get 6. If denominator is 1, we don't write. Any other denominator we write, 1 we don't write. It is assumed that any fraction numerator, any number numerator is 1. So 6 by 1 is 6. Next here, 1 minus up, 1 minus down. I told you they also cancel. Okay. So this 2 will not go, but 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So we get 8 2s are 16. Multiply up up, down down. Please don't convert this improper fraction because we are doing rational numbers. Numerator can be more than denominator. In fraction chapter class 6 you have learned we convert improper to mixed. Here don't convert. So you can pause the video and then copy. Then next we will move on to question number 3. So next we move on to question number 3, part 2. So here we are doing multiplication of rational numbers. So you have to know the table very nicely, children. And this 2, there are 2 ways you can cancel with 2 and 2. So generally go with HCF, the highest common factor. So 6 is the biggest number which will divide this. 6 2s are, 6 3s are. 6 2s are 12, remember like table, and 6 3s are 18. So 1 minus remains, so it becomes 17 2s are minus 34 by 3. 17 2s, as I told you earlier, please learn tables up to 20, otherwise you will never be good in maths. So 17 2s are 34, 3 remains, 1 minus remains. Please don't convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction because we are not doing fraction. we are doing rational numbers. So same way here children, 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28. So 1 minus remains. Again once more, 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 9 ones are 9, up down 2 remains. Next here if you see, minus minus will become plus, so you can write here product of 2 negative. We will see book solved example and all. The right product of 2 negative is positive. Now what are the possible numbers which will cancel? So 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 15, 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. So we have 5 by 1 fives are 5, up you multiply, and down you multiply. This is what we have learnt in multiplication. So here also you could have done in one more step, minus 17 into 2 minus 34 by 3. Here also you could have done minus 1 into 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2. So what do we see is here how we multiply two rational numbers. So kindly pause the video and copy, then we move on to question number 4. So here we go to the last two part. We do part 2 and part 4 of question 4. So these two sum will be the last two sum for this session. So let us see. So this is nothing but children, if you see this to be simplified, we have done like this, and this only here we will add. So we are using concept of addition of rational numbers. This we have learnt in multiplication. We will subtract. So this is nothing but a little bigger question, but not complex question. It's not hard. It's two part we get, we add. So let us see how we can cancel the common things over here. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Minus minus will give you plus. Product of 2 negative is positive. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So finally we are left with 8. 2 fours are 8, minus minus it has become plus. So once more, 3 fours are 12, 7 twos are 14. Plus comes here. Here if you see, 5 fives are 25, 5 threes are 15. 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Since one minus is there, this is minus 3 threes are 9 by down 5 fours are 20. Once more, 1 minus means minus will remain. 1 minus means minus plus minus. 6 and 8 will go in 2's table. 2 threes are, 2 fours are. 15, 25 will go in table of 5. 3's are, 5's are. Up you multiply 9, down you get. Now plus minus, if you remember I told you, becomes minus, as if your only sign is multiplied, plus minus is minus, but other thing won't be multiplied. Okay, so in the earlier part I have given you the concept. So there is nothing but it will be 1. So what happens here is LCM of 1 and 20 is 20. 1 will go 8 times. 1 will go 20 times. So 20 into 8, 20 will go 1 time. So 1 will go 20 times. Multiply this with 20 and 20 will go 1 times. So finally we have 160 minus 9 by 20. This is 151 by 20. Please don't convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So this is how we do. We cancel common term, and here plus minus, only sign becomes minus. We don't find product. So this full concept I have given you earlier. You can check my previous videos where we have seen how we add two rational numbers. So what is there? So we get common LCM 20, we multiply with 1, how many time it goes? So generally it goes crisscross, provided there is nothing common in denominator. So the last question of this session, actually I am cancelling and all in this step only. In fact, you don't do in the question, come to the first step, then you do. I am doing it in the first step because I don't want to go down. So please write, and in the next step you do what I am doing in the first step. So 5 minus minus becomes plus. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So finally you get 4 here. Okay, 7 twos are 14, minus remains minus. So this one minus will remain 1 minus minus plus minus. So any common thing you will see as 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So finally what we are left with, minus 1 into 1 is 1, 3 twos are 6. So this becomes minus minus plus. I told you, imagine just the sign is multiplied, not the other thing. So minus minus becomes something like plus. Actually the concept is additive inverse. Minus means what? 4 added to, this is a big concept, additive inverse of minus 1 by 6, which is 1 by 6. So minus means adding the additive inverse of this. So additive inverse of minus 1 by 6 is 1 by 6. But this is a right concept, but in short we try to do like this, because everywhere we cannot use that idea of additive inverse, but this is more logical, more mathematical. But here we use shortcut, that is minus minus, sign only becomes plus. Take LCM children. 6, 1 will go 6 times and 6 will go 1 time. So 1 will go 6 times, say 4 will be multiplied by 6, 6 will go 1 time. So finally we get 24 plus 1 by 6, 25 by 6. So kindly please don't change this improper fraction to mixed fraction. So boys, I have done up to 4. Please try all the question from 1 to 4, check the answer, and I hope if you practice, you pause the video, you go back, and then you will understand it better. There are some good solved example in any book you see, and then you try what I have not done, question 1 to 4 of exercise 2E, rational numbers, where we have learned multiplication of 2 or more rational numbers. So thank you boys for watching.